Decoding the Magic. Reduce adjective clauses to adjective phrases. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another session of our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're delving deep into a particularly exciting aspect of English language: reducing adjective clauses to adjective phrases. In other words, we're about to make your sentences smoother, more efficient, and better sounding. So, let's get started. Before we get into the action of reducing, let's make sure we fully grasp what an adjective clause is. An adjective clause is a group of words that work together to describe a noun. It usually begins with a relative pronoun like who, that, which, or whose. Here's an example. The book that I bought yesterday is on the table. In this sentence, that I bought yesterday is the adjective clause, giving us more information about the book. Now, moving forward, what do we mean when we say reducing an adjective clause? Well, a reduced adjective clause, also known as an adjective phrase, is a streamlined version of an adjective clause. This means it has the same meaning, but is shorter and more efficient. The key to reducing adjective clauses to phrases is to remove the subject and verb, leaving only the important information behind. Let's take our previous example. The book that I bought yesterday is on the table. The reduced adjective clause would be, the book, bought yesterday, is on the table. The phrase, bought yesterday, still tells us when the book was purchased, but is shorter and more to the point. Let's practice with a few more examples. 1. The people who were dancing at the party were my friends. 2. Reduced. The people dancing at the party were my friends. 3. The restaurant that is located downtown serves the best pizza. 4. Reduced. The restaurant, located downtown, serves the best pizza. 5. The dog that belongs to my neighbor is very friendly. 6. Reduced. The dog, belonging to my neighbor, is very friendly. Remember, the key is to retain the crucial information from the clause while making the sentence more efficient. And there you have it. You've just learned how to reduce adjective clauses to phrases, making your English writing and speech smoother and more efficient. I hope this video has been useful and enlightening. Remember, practice is key in mastering any language aspect, so don't shy away from reducing some adjective clauses in your everyday writing or speech. Until next time, happy learning!